Welcome guys, so today I am with Redmi 10C and I will show you how camera pro mode looks in this phone. So to enter the pro mode we have to click right here, and as you can see at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon because we'll find a great description of a very feature that we can find in this phone. So for example, if you want to get more information about the exposure verification, that's the highlight unexposed areas in the blue and overexposed areas in the red to be able to adjust exposure correctly. So let me show you the exposure verification. It's right here. As you can see, I just turn it on, and let's go for example for the exposure compensation, and as you can see right now the blue lines we can spot them on the preview, and the red lines also when we set the exposure not correctly. So it's unexposure and it's overexposure. So that was the preview, how to get used to and how to know what each feature do. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to adjust these parameters. So let's start. Okay, and that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.